Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 2. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Right? That means you have to find the area of the shaded portion. Right? Therefore, we are getting here as we can solve this question like this. First of all, we find the area of the square plot, 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 area of the square plot. That is equal to side square. That is equal to side square. Side, this is square, that is side square. On the side here it is given as 25 meter. That is 25 meter whole square. That is we are getting 25 into 25 meter square, 25 into 25 meter square. 25 into 25 is 625. It is 625 meter square. Now we'll find the area of the house. 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 Here that is equal to, area of the house is equal to, it is a rectangle. Length is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter. That is L into B. L into B, that is length into breadth. Length is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter. Breadth is 15 meter. 15 meter. And that is equal to 15 to the 30 into 1 0 is there. 300 meter square. Right? This is the area of the house. Now area of the remaining portion. 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 Area of the remaining portion is equal to area of the square plot. Area of the square plot. Area of the square plot. Area of the square plot minus area of the house. Area of the house minus area of the house. Therefore, that is equal to area of the square plot is equal to 625 meter square minus area of the house is 300 meter square, 300 meter square. That is 625 minus 300, that is equal to 325 meter square. But it is given that the total cost of developing a garden around the house is at the rate of 55 per meter square. The cost of developing the garden, the cost of developing a garden, the cost of developing a garden around the house, around the house at the rate of rate of rupees 55 per meter square, per meter square, right? Therefore the total cost, therefore the total cost, the total cost, total cost of developing, of developing, total cost of developing, total cost of developing the garden, developing the garden, garden is equal to rupees 325 into 55. Now if we multiply 325 with 55, we are getting with 55. So 5 has a 25, 2, 2 here is 5. 5 is a 10 plus 2 is 12, carry 1, it is 2. 3 is a 15 plus 1 is 16, cross, again 5, 2, 6, 1. If we add this one, that is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1. 17,875. That is equal to rupees 17,875. That is the answer. Again we are repeating. Here first of all we find the area of the remaining portion. Here the area of the square plot is 625 meter square. Area of the house is 300 meter square. Therefore area of the remaining portion is equal to 625 minus 300, that is 325 meter square. And here it is given that the cost of developing a garden around the house is at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Therefore the total cost of developing the garden is equal to 325 into 55, that is rupees 17,875. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.